right. Perfect. Hey guys, Andrew with Hoffman Lawn Fertilization. It's been a really brutal summer. It's the driest one in over 100+ years. It's been really tough on our lawn. So a lot of summer damage, and folks are asking us how can they go about repairing some of that. Aeration is going to be key, right? We always want to encourage root growth. Fall is the best time to do it. But when it comes to filling in some of the bare spots that might have taken place, typically what's done is an aeration overseed. And I've got a lot of clients that are concerned about that. They say, hey, I don't have irrigation. Is it going to be a waste of money for me to do this? Well, the simple answer is no. Seed, in order for it to germinate, is going to require 3 different things, right? Sunlight, soil contact, and moisture. 2 of those we've got. We got sunlight. It's high pressure nonstop around here. And then you're doing an aeration, right? So you're going to have good soil contact. The third element's going to be that water. If you put that seed down when you do that aeration, if it doesn't have water, it's just going to lie there dormant, in a sense the same that it would be if it was on the store shelf still, right? It doesn't have everything to be able to germinate. If you do an aeration and overseed now and you don't have the time to water, that's fine. That seed is just going to sit there and lay until we do get to our rainfalls. And it's going to come. It's Ohio. Unfortunately, we're going to have a lot of rain. If you've got more questions about aeration overseed or how to improve your lawn, check out our website, hoffmanslawncare.com.